Hi guys, the video that you're about to see is a tutorial to help you place a video on your blog. Several people in our class created PSAs using PhotoStory and Audacity, so I'm going to use a couple of those today as a demonstration. And then what I'd like you to do is, as your final blog assignment, is to go ahead and upload a video of your own, make sure it's appropriate, to your blog, and also put a blog entry with it. Having said that, if you want to create videos and upload them to a blog, you've got to have some sort of an account like on YouTube where you can actually upload the video, get the kind of HTML coding you need so that you can embed it in your blog. So this is how you do that. I want you to presume that you've already gotten yourself a YouTube account and you've signed in, and it looks like this. So we're going to go to this button over here. It's very easy, on the right, and click on it. And when it says upload, and it gives us this choice right here, press upload video to select and upload a video file, which of course is what we want to do. I have Cesar's photo story about his DJ business on my jump drive, so I'm going to go over here, find the right file, choose it, say open, and see how quickly that loads. Doesn't take very long at all. Now we're going to make one little change here. There was a small typo, so we're going to change one letter here. And then the description is just to give some idea what your little movie is about. This one is a PSA for Cesar's DJ business. Now Cesar is over 20 and he can do this. There are some people in our class who may be under 18 and the rules are a little different for you guys. But for people who are adults, you've got some room here. He can do this, and his PSA actually has some personal information in it. If you are a student, usually you would not include personal information in something like this, but he's old enough that he can do it, so just make sure you understand the difference here. Tags are little search words you can put in here, so if somebody is looking around on YouTube and they just type something in, so put DJ. You can put a list of little tags here that will help them find your particular video. The category, let's see, it's mostly about music. I guess you could also say it's entertainment. Here we have a couple of choices. We can share the video with the world, which is what we're going to do, or you can make it viewable only by you and 25 people, which means those 25 people, you have to know who they are. We're going to save these changes. So this is done. Now we're going to go to my videos. Okay, we're going to push play again. I had downloaded Cesar's twice, so I had to get rid of the extra. Now before I play any more of this, you'll notice that as soon as I go into play from my account, I can look at and listen to the video that Cesar made. What's important to you right now is over here on the right hand side of the screen, this box here, it tells you who's posting it. Everybody has to have an account. Mine is called One-to-One Classroom. It says here what it is. It's a PSA for Cesar's DJ business. The URL is the web address. So you could use that and people would link out of your blog and into YouTube to watch it. But to put it on your blog so people can watch it right there, you need the embed code. You want to click on this little icon here that says Customize. One of the things you want to do before you copy this is maybe double check these and see if you want to make a change. I don't want to include related videos, but I do want to have a border. And let's see, I think this one. This one, the color scheme goes pretty well with Cesar's blog, so when he adds this to his blog, he'll use this. My blog uses these colors, so I'm going to choose a border that's going to blend in with my blog. Then I'm going to go up here on Embed, and I'm going to click once to highlight the whole thing. On your keyboard then, you're going to do Control C to copy. And then we're going to travel over to our blog. This is my blog page. And while I was waiting for the PSA to load, I was writing a little bit on my blog. There we go. You can see that better now. And I just wrote an entry which you will be able to read when you go to the classroom blog, explaining about how you can put your own videos on your blog. What I'm going to do right now, there are some tabs here. This one says Compose, and that's just for writing. This one says Edit in HTML. You'll notice that even the typeface here changes because now we're doing HTML. So far I've done Control Copy, and I have in the little buffer here saved the code that's going to give me the video. Now on my keyboard I'm going to hit Control V, the letter V as in vary, and ta-da! It pastes all of the code I need to make the YouTube video appear on here. Now, I'm not going to get too fancy with this. I already gave it a title, already did some introducing, so the words are going to come first and then the video should appear. So I'm going to say Publish Post. Take a look at it. Here it is with today's date and the information I typed. Now I needed to put a space between my words and the code for the video, but when we click on this, I'm going to turn that down just a little. There are supposed to be 5 PSAs. So far there are 4 that will be posted on my school webpage, so you can see them there. So the last thing that you want to do for your blog is to write an entry and to add your own video to it one way or the other. If you were not one of the people who made a PSA, then you should go to YouTube and try to find a video that has to do with the career that you're interested in and put that in your blog instead. So guys, go have fun either uploading your own video that you've made to your blog or picking one that's appropriate for your final assignment and putting that on your blog page. I look forward to seeing what you come up with.